Some people say networking doesn't work, other people love it and live by it. I want to share with you a little story that happened to me at a networking event that was really good for my life and my business. Before I start, my name's Edward Plant. I'm from the Business League. We run networking events and support business owners connect, develop and grow their business. So probably in about 2012. Maybe early 2013. Sorry, let me start again. It was 2013. We had our son was born. He was probably between 6 weeks old and 3 or 4 months old. We were in that cycle of no sleep, working, business had grown as a result of having a baby, go figure, and I was pretty exhausted. I went to this networking event and I was up the back making myself a cup of coffee, as you do. Or as you used to do, because not all networking event is about those these days. And I was standing there chatting, and the guy next to me came up and he was getting himself a coffee. I said, "Mate, how are you?" Bang, we introduced ourselves, we got chatting. He asked about me, what I did, and I said, "Yeah, bang." I said, "What do you do?" And he said, "I'm the CEO of the Gold Coast Suns and I'm the guest presenter this morning." And I was like, "Oh, you idiot." And what I take my foot out of my mouth and one of those moments. And so anyway, we had a laugh, apologised, said, "Listen, I got a baby, bang, I'm a bit tired, wasn't really sure who was presenting this morning," so on. As a result of that relationship though, he remembered me, apart from red hair, 6 foot tall, standing out. He remembered me. We connected. I reached out, said, "Hey mate, really appreciated your presentation, really got these 3 things out of it, was amazing." And as a result of that event, we then moved into running our own events, and I reached out to him quite a while later and I said, "Hey, we're doing this, would you or the coach of the Gold Coast Suns like to present?" Bang, over the next 3 years we got coach and the Gold Coast Suns CEO presenting at 3 of our events over that time. They shared amazing wisdom, wealth, insights, and our community loved it. And so did I get more business out of that connection? No, maybe I got more people to events or something like that, but not really. But I got some amazing relationships with 2 different CEOs and a Premier League coach, which was great for us, but not only us, our community as well. And so that's one of the things that can happen from networking. Yes, a lot of people go into it in, let's get more business and let's grow our business. However, that's only a small piece of the pie. It's who you meet, what they expose you to, and what the ripple opportunities create that's even more exciting. So keep your eyes open. Think about those adverse or different things that happen to you at networking events. If you've got a funny story or different story, I'd love you to share it below because I think there's a lot of interesting things that happen at networking events. So comment below about what's one of those different things that's happened to you as a result of your networking. My name's Edward Plant. I'm from the Business League. If you're interested in a networking event, please reach out and I'd love to invite you along. But that's all I've got time for. I'll speak to you soon.